Hello, and my name is Natalia, and today I'm finally back to show you some more ideas that I have in store for you. And today I'm going to show you how you can make an exploding card or a box card. And this card was for my father for his birthday, and he loves fishing, so I made this card for him, especially for him. So hopefully you'll like my idea and enjoy my video also. Let's start with the box. I have chosen 3 different colors. Each side of the blue square is 26 centimeters. Each side of the light green square is 28.5 centimeters. And each side of the green square is 30.4 centimeters. Each side for the cutouts measurements are written down below. When you have cut them out, you will end up with 3 paper shaped pluses. Now let's work on the lid, and the measurements for each side are down below. I have measured and marked 2.5 centimeters into my card for my scoring lines. Now take your ruler and place it on top of the markings and then make a fold. And do this on each side. So now we need to cut 4 scores. So 2 on one side and 2 on the opposite side. Now fold the cutted side so the scores will be more obvious. And also fold the 4 smaller pieces inwards. Now we need to glue the sides. But first fold the 2 sides upwards so that you can glue them together. And now take your glue and glue it on top of the 4 smaller cutouts. And then glue them onto the 2 upward folded sides. Press firmly to make the side stick, and then you're done with the basic lid. Now we need to make soft scoring lines on the 3 different pages. And gently just fold the sides to have a clear outline on the different sides. And now you have made the basics of the box card. As I told you, I made this for my father and for his passion for fishing, so these are my ideas for the